let us discuss an edge runner mill. Edge runner mill is typically equipment which can be much related to our household wet grinders. Wet grinders at home we use for making flour for by wet grinding. This sort of grinding is happening in an edge runner mill in case of an pharmaceutical company or a manufacturing company. They will be of bigger in size and the materials of construction may differ. So the mechanism that works in an edge runner mill is compression and attrition. This compression and attrition are achieved by two heavy rollers provided over here. These rollers are made up of steel or any other suitable metallic alloys, and the rollers are connected to a crankshaft which pushes the rollers against the bed of material which is on a vessel, and this is attached to a central shaft. So unlike wet grinders at home where the vessel rotates, here the rollers may rotate. It can vary according to the design, but as in the picture we can see, the rollers are actually, the assembly of rollers actually rotates on the shaft. So the rollers actually roll over the material causing compression, and during this movement it causes attrition too. This is how an edge runner mill works, and this can be used for effectively for wet grinding, not very well for dry milling, and it can be used for various materials which do not hydrolyze or which are not interacting with water much. Here is a working of an edge runner mill, and again I have put the video about this in the upcoming section. Let us discuss about end runner mill. End runner mill is a slightly different equipment than edge runner mill. Here we can see the pistons are something like a dumbbell shape. It has two pistons at both the ends, and the pistons are almost similar to the rollers in the previous one. But they are vertically mounted. Instead of mounting horizontally, the pistons are vertically mounted, and they are mounted in a vessel. So it gives the image like a mortar and pestle. There is a mortar kind of vessel and a pestle which is vertically situated on the vessel. So this particular dumbbell shaped pistons will be rotating, and it will be grinding the materials within the steel vessel, and whatever the material sticking to the pestle or the dumbbell shaped pestle will be scraped off by scraper blades, and there are buffers to control the flow or the rotation of the materials within the vessel. So this is how a typical end runner mill is working, and the connections are going to the motor for the working of the pestle. Now you can see this may not be important for your exam. When you draw the diagram in an exam, make sure you are showing the vessel and the pestle which is hold to a particular assembly, and the rotation of the pestles. That will give the entire idea about working of the end runner mill. And see, the mechanism of end runner mill is compression. Unlike the previous one, the edge runner mill, there is no attrition happening over here. It's only the compression that causes size reduction of the materials by an end runner mill. Here is a video which shows the end runner mill working and powdering the materials. So as you can see, the end runner mill can be used for grinding or powdering dry materials into fine powders. There are scraper blades and the baffles shown here.